Marijuana, cannabis, hemp, pot, is it really this awful drug that should be so heavily frowned upon? Or is it a miracle drug that has a wide range of healing properties? People have been using cannabis as medicine since the ancient and medieval times. The first written account of cannabis as medicine dates back to the Chinese in 28 BC. It was used as an anesthetic for surgery, for pain relief, and for various other conditions. I'm going to explain to you some of the benefits of medical marijuana and some of the things that it treats. It's used to slow and stop cancer cells from spreading. It's used to prevent Alzheimer's, treat glaucoma, relieve arthritis, control seizures. It is used to ease pain from multiple sclerosis. It soothes tremors for people who are suffering from Parkinson's disease. Helps with Crohn's disease. It can lessen side effects for people who are being treated for hepatitis C. It reduces severe pain and nausea for people who are going through chemotherapy. And it also helps to increase their appetite. It is used to help veterans who are suffering from PTSD, controls muscle spasms, and it also is used to decrease anxiety. So the question is, why would you choose medical marijuana over all the prescription drugs that are out there and that are offered to these people? Well, mainly because prescription drugs, especially painkillers, are highly addictive. And after long-term use, it can affect your body and just not be good for you. So there are different strains of marijuana that are used to treat different illnesses. The sativa strains give you an uplifting feeling and they make you more energetic. The indica strains give you a more sedating and relaxing feeling kind of in your whole body. And they also make hybrid brands, which are basically just a mix of the two. So for people who don't like to smoke or don't want to smoke, there are so many other ways that you can use marijuana. You can eat it. It can be baked in Rice Krispie treats, brownies, cakes, pies. People make candy out of it, lollipops, hard candies. You can vape it. There's so many different ways. So if you don't like smoking or don't want to smoke, you can do it one of those ways. So legalizing medical marijuana would also bring lots of jobs to North Carolina. There has to be people who are growing it, people who are working in the shops or dispensaries selling it. It would just bring lots of jobs to North Carolina. And the taxes from it would also be very helpful to our state. I'm aware that this is a very, very controversial topic. But the question is, why is it illegal? Why are we keeping it from people? If it can help so many sick people, why are we not offering it to them? What if this was your family member who was sick or suffering or in pain? Wouldn't you want them to have relief? Wouldn't you want them to be able to use it and not get in trouble? So it should be legal. There's no research at all that proves that marijuana itself is bad for you. Sometimes the things that you smoke it in can be bad for you, like if you roll it in tobacco, that can be bad for you, or the cigarette papers are bad for you, but marijuana itself is not bad for you. I feel that if one state legalized marijuana, then why are all states not legalizing medical marijuana? So after hearing all of this and all of the benefits, do you think that North Carolina should legalize medical marijuana?